Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor does come with the John Deere H240 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 1,600 hours on it. It's a nice clean tractor. We did replace all four tires, so it does have four new tires on it. Has a global stock quick attach for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Got some paint off the front of the loader here, which is just from normal usage, obviously. Overall, the paint of the tractor is in pretty nice shape. Has a corner post exhaust. Top link and drawbar are both on the tractor. Has double remotes back here. Stabilizers on both sides. Has work lights on front and back of the cab. And again, the tires are all new. They are radial tires, so it's got radial tires all the way around it. Nice tractor for haying, making hay, feeding bales, anything of that nature. Nice size tractor for that kind of thing. Does have the air ride seat for the operator. Has a 540/540E selector back here behind the seat. Interior of the cab is nice and clean. Does have a little bit of a hole here in the center of the seat. Other than that, it's pretty nice in here. Does have the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand pad reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. And your loader control and your transmission directly to the right of the seat there. And then all your hydraulic PTO 3-point controls are also located on the panel there on the right. Up top you have radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.